Check it out! Here it is!
Hey guys! It's time for our great math adventure! Are you ready?
Welcome to the Hape Experiential Learning Center, the first ever interactive math knowledge learning center brought to you by Hape. We've imported over 100 cutting-edge exhibits from one of the world's leading mathematical science centers, the Mathematikum Gießen in Germany. Say goodbye to boring formulas and symbols as we've swapped them out for interactive wonders that blend board games, toys, and art. It's where abstract math concepts come alive, simple and straightforward. At the Hape Experiential Learning Center, we roll up our sleeves and dive right into solving math problems. We build our own geometric shapes, developing our spatial senses and flexing our crafty fingers all at once. And wait till you see us blow those gigantic soap bubbles and get up close and personal with the transformations of minimal surfaces. Even the teenagers love it here. Check it out! They're using puzzles and scales to see the Pythagorean theorem in action. And playing ball races to see and feel how potential energy affects speed. It's so cool! The Hape Experiential Learning Center is packed with awesome hands-on learning adventures. Each one feels like a grand exploration, making us even more curious and fond of math. It's not just symbols and numbers anymore, it's full of fun challenges and discoveries. Interactive play that's both educational and entertaining is the perfect partner for nurturing innovative math thinking. With over 100 experiments and exhibits, we're encouraged to understand math by doing, learn it through games, and fall in love with it naturally. In the future, we're convinced that the Hape Experiential Learning Center will bring even more thrilling math experiences to us all, making us smarter and more creative as we embark on our joyful math journey. So friends, join us and let's grow together at the Hape Experiential Learning Center. The Hape Experiential Learning Center, where fun meets practice and math becomes accessible to all.